What up? How's it going? Sorry, I'm not working today, but I am kind of working. I'm doing a little bit of work from home, remote, like here and there, so not too much. I just had to do like 45 minutes this morning to touch base with a few people, and then we'll see throughout the day, but it shouldn't interrupt me too much. Monday number 3. I mean, it's kind of weird having a Wednesday off, but I'm working Saturday, so it makes sense. I mean, I don't really care what days I get off. Some people really want 2 consecutive days. I don't really care, to be honest. As long as I get 2 days off in a 7-day period, I'm fine. I think it's because for a long time I worked, like almost 8 years, I worked 6 days a week. The Saturdays were short, and it was the owner and then me. I mean, that's the same situation I'm in again, though, is that right below the owner. But yeah, almost 8 years, and I didn't mind the 6 days. I don't know. So now having the 2 days off, I'm down. Doesn't really matter what day. And it is nice having the option to do a little bit of work remotely. Like I got a laptop and stuff, second screen and shit. I hear you. I hear you. I mean, I guess there's a lot of fields that are that way. Like, in my position, I'm guessing your position too. In my position, I'm constantly putting out fires. Customer facing. But my last position was, like, it was more phone and walk-in customers and dealing with, so what it was where I worked previously was a smaller truck and fleet and automobile accessories and aftermarket store / shop. So like, we focused on truck stuff, like pickup truck and SUV stuff. Like your tonneau covers, your Lear truck caps, your wheels, your tires, your everything, all that type of stuff. So I started there as a floater, bouncing back and forth between doing a bit of the installations and then sometimes coming up and doing a bit of sales. And then within like a year and a half, I moved up to just sales, and then I moved into running the place for like 5, almost 6 years, right below the owner. So that was dope. He taught me so much. Older guy, he started the business in 1990. Taught me so much about business and about the back end. Towards the end, because the only reason I left that place is because he was older, 70 something, and then he sold it. And there was a lot of false promises by the new owner and the direction he was taking. It was just, so I ended up resigning, which kind of sucked, but whatever. It was better for my mental health and just my future in general. F off. F out of here. Get the F out. There we go. There we go. So yeah, anyways, that was dope. I learned a whole shitload from him. But then, like I said, the departure was kind of crappy. But now the place I'm at is much more e-commerce. Awesome website. They do a lot of business in the US and Canada. It's crazy because it kind of... Business is business. Could be this product could be that product. Business is business. But this side of it, with the truck stuff, a lot of it, 99% of it was North American based. Like as far as the vendors and sourcing and the manufacturing. Some of the manufacturing was over, but dealing with like stock orders and vendors, etc., was majority North America based. Whereas the business that I'm in now, I'm not going to mention it, but I'll shoot you DM at some point. The business I'm in now, a lot of the product is from China, like a lot of the stuff you're dealing with and a lot of the stuff in the 3D printing world. But a lot of it's from China, so it's a little bit of a different ball game. But yeah, majority of the sales are e-commerce based through the website. So that changes a bit of the way I'm able to do things. So that circles back around fucking long-winded to the laptop and being able to do a bit of work from home. It's nice. Yeah. Yes, sir. So we've got the one place near me, which is like the main place. There's a brick and mortar store, and then that's where like 90% of the logistics goes out of, and etc. So that's where I'm at, and yeah, it's dope because a lot of the things that I've learned and my skills are they can cross into this industry. It's like I said, a product, I mean, business is business, retail is retail, whether it's e-commerce, in person, on the phone. It's just different products and a little bit different of the way you handle things. So learning from this guy previously, the older gentleman, for 8 years, it was dope. I learned a hell of a lot. So much. Like, yeah, just so much. But it was a different dynamic because he was older, he had his ways of doing things, he was much more robotic. Whereas this new guy, he's much younger than the older gentleman. He's much more engaging, willing to teach, and very successful. So I'm learning. It's cool. It's a complete flip, but I'm soaking it all in and learning as much as I can. And yeah, it's neat seeing the inner workings of a dope website. I've always thought about that. You look at a dope website, you're like, I wonder what the hell's going on in the back end right now, like behind the scenes. So it's cool being part of that, behind it, and learning that side of it, because I think that's going to help me in the long run. And the products that we're selling are pretty high dollar value for stuff that's coming from China. Like the lowest dollar value of the things that we're selling is like $500 in that range. $500 going up to like around 10 grand. Hold on. Don't say anything about the actual place in chat or anything, but just So we've got the one place there right around the corner from me, which is the head one, and then we've got a place in LA, and then the place in LA right now is basically just warehouse, but we're going to evolve it into something more, because it's nice to have the logistics out of LA, because I'm learning a lot about what China's doing with their product, and as far as remote warehouses in LA, etc. But we've got our place in LA, and then we've starting to work on a place in Michigan, just to kind of have, because the US is big, so just to have kind of all of it covered. Yeah, it's pretty dope, pretty dope, pretty dope. Okay, I want to start working on this telescope here. So, I want to transfer basically, because right now I have this set up for, I had this down at the park last night. I have this set up for astrophotography, but I couldn't get into focus. I knew, I'm a bit of an idiot, because I knew I should have used Oreo. Excuse me. It's rude. But I knew I should have used Oreo, because Oreo, I made a modification on the spider of Oreo. Son of a potato. So I made a modification on Oreo where in the CAD file, I but I put 20 by 20 holes here, like, so that I could adjust the spider up and down. And that allows me to focus the camera much easier. Because when I had got this all mounted up last night, all freaking crazy, good to go, I couldn't get focus, no matter how much I adjusted it. I could not get it to go into focus, which means the focal length here is not set up well enough for photography. And I've made the choice now, even though I don't know if I'm going to be able to focus it, that I'm going to set Big Blue up. I really want to get Big Blue to take some photos, so I'm gonna set Big Blue up. Did I throw that thing out? So you can see we got the guide scope and then the mini PC here. I printed one for Big Blue, but I wasn't really happy with how it printed, so I can't remember if I kept it. I don't think I kept it. Oh man. Wonder how quickly I can print. It doesn't need to be crazy strong or anything. Come on. Oh, yeah, I sent you the Canadian one. There's a US one, too. Lil. Because we do a ton of business in the US. Kind of crazy seeing the orders just bing, bing, bing. Print out that. How much black do I have? I think I have a kg of it. No, that's the burnt titanium. Oh, Mateo has Decker printing like crazy good. He gave me a, I don't know what I did with it. Oh. What's up, Steve? Yeah. So I'm working, I just saw your thing. I'm working on Saturday. So I get today off. Well, kind of off. I'm gonna spend an hour or two. I have the laptop from him. Gonna spend an hour or two. I spent 45 minutes this morning just dealing with some stuff, but I might spend another hour at some point today. And then back tomorrow. It's kind of nice having a day off in the week. Da Vinci, what's up? Can you not hear me? Hopefully you still have audio. I forgot to turn down the music though, that's my fault. Oh. Audio. Yo, have you tried this one? Ultra Blue Hawaiian. Freaking dope. Hilarious that I talk this way when I'm not at work, but when I'm talking to customers, I'm articulate as fuck. But when I'm on stream, I'm just like, it's terrible. It's quite honestly terrible. Oh, new spools. These are clear. Bro. I want to make a hardware tower out of clear ones. That would be sick. Then you could see what's in the bins. You know what I mean? If I make one of these, I'll take off the tray. I mean, there's holes in it so you can see anyway. Eh, there goes my idea. F it. Oh, wait. I didn't put chat in the... Man, am I new at stream? There we go. I was wondering why it was saying nobody is watching stream, but people are talking. Okay. Let me bring that mount over. This mount is freaking huge. It weighs so much, but I guess it has to. If it's gonna carry 44 pounds of telescope, absolute telescope power. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. I'm gonna turn it this way so you can see the plug. See the plug. There we go. Woo! The crazy thing is, I think this mount is... Okay, I looked it up and I was expecting to read like, I don't know, 1990. I don't know, something like that. 1995. that this was made. Or late, I don't know, man. I found 2006. And then I got to thinking, 2006. That's 20 years ago. That tripped me out. Because it looks like a 20-year-old mount if you think about it that way. But I don't really want to think about it that way. Because 2006 feels like yesterday. Anyways. It's pretty cool how the, counterweight shaft just is in the body like that. Okay. What do I need? What are the ingredients that I need? What's up, Acid? How's it going? I appreciate it. I appreciate it. We'll definitely need the counterweight. Counterweight. We'll need the cables. This is one of the the one cable is the one that I made. RB9. It's a USB. And then this is the power. Power. Okay. I need now to move this away. I should probably take this stuff out first. Do you agree with me? A killer stool. Camera. Here for now. This one's a knob. Really? Come on. Effing great. That's the guide scope and camera. And then this was actually loose. That's not good. Oh! Killer stool. Get out of here, bro. Ooh, I don't know if this dew band is gonna fit around Thick Boy. I mean, we'll have to give it a whirl. All these silent letters, bro, that I'm pronouncing. Whirl. It is silent letter day now. Oh, come on. That is just passive aggressive. Yeah. Now, why are you loose? It's not ideal. Oh. Pretty sure I broke it. Yeah. I want to pull that off. Peace. Oh, why did that turn? There we go. The telescope? Acid? And are you talking about with the cameras and computers and all that fun stuff, or just like for visual? Hey Cody, I'm working on Saturday and I did 45 minutes of work-ish from home earlier. I'll probably do another hour at some point later today, but I'm working Saturday, so today I'm technically off. How are you today? The telescope? Brian sells kits. The link is in my description, 10telescope.com. But if you source everything yourself and do it that way, I'd say, I don't know, what did one... I would say it cost me... Oh, 400 bucks? Maybe just over 400 bucks? But it's comparable to something that's like 800 bucks. And you get the enjoyment of building it whatever color you want, and just the enjoyment of building it. Like, this thing is freaking... This thing's pretty awesome. I had Oreo out last night looking at Jupiter, and it was just unreal. You could see the bands and 4 moons, and that was at 21 with a 21mm eyepiece. I could have tightened it in and it would have just been insane, but I was trying to do the outreach stuff and everything. Yeah, this is glorious. You got a Batnoff mask and a stop down for if the moon is crazy bright, you can grab more contrast out of it if you stop it down. I should probably put something in there. But in a minute, you'll see the big one too, the bigger one. No! Did that shut off? Oh well. Lost volume? What? Is it my mic? It just cuts out or what? That's kind of crazy. Leroy, how's it going? I appreciate you. I did 3D print it. Yep, that is a telescope. It's not a bazooka. I've heard that. I've heard bazooka, space cannon. I've heard a whole bunch of things. Where is my little cover thing? Yes, sir. I'm from Brawny. I was out in Brawny last night. Brawny Astronomer. Feel free to join it on Facebook. The Brawny Astronomer. We try to get out as much as we can. Cover. There we go. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. See here. Let's go here for a second. Oh, this was out in Brawny last night. That's Oreo. Looking at Jupiter. It was freaking awesome. I do have a 3D print business. I do not sell the telescopes, but the link to the telescope designs are open source, or you can get kits. The link is in the description. It's 10 telescopes. 10telescopes.com. You can buy kits and join up with the Discord, and my Discord link is there too. I've built 3 of these. I'm in the works of building another one. No worries, Acid. Okay. So... now. I've got this all wrapped up. It can go back on its stand. And then I'll bring the big boy over. Ooh, that's interesting. All right, big blue. Ooh. So there's a few things I would like to try to do. I gotta swap these outer bearings for the dovetail and the handle. I gotta swap these bearings that usually sit on the rocker box for... How are we gonna do it? Oh, wow. Maybe that's why it wasn't in focus. I flipped the spot. I just remembered this. Oh. Oh, man. I should have collimated Joker. I had the collimation tool out and everything. It's right effing there. Because I flipped the spider. Because when I put the different bearings on, I don't want the camera facing that way. Let's figure it out as we go. Basically anything. I work with the customer, whether it's coming up with a design or they have something they've purchased a design for, or that type of thing. If it's something that they need designed, then we go back and forth with iterations and... Yeah, so like, for example, one thing that I'm working on right now, and I'm working on right now with a company, is this. I actually just finished, this is the final design. That's gonna be, I'm printing, I think they wanted 24 or something like that. 24 or 36. And what it is it goes on the head of an alignment rack tool. So there's 3 of these. 1, 2, and then 3 in a triangle. And they sit on the edge of the lip of the wheel of big trucks, like 26s, like big trucks, the obnoxious wheels that you see, and dually stuff. And there's quite a few different applications that are not the best with the smaller ones that come stock. So I worked with the company to design these, and now I'm going to start producing them for them. So that's pretty dope. Just so you never know. I can never really put my finger on what exactly I print. It's a tough question. Great question, but it's tough to answer. Oh, I want to plug this in because I need to see chat right there. Thank you, I appreciate it. You never know what's going to pop up. Always networking, always talking with people. And then if you do a good job, word of mouth. I really need to buy a bunch of USB-C to USB-C. We're in that stage now. We lived in an era of USB-A to USB-C for a long, long time. And now it's transitioned into majority USB-C to USB-C. Maybe not majority, but I'm getting to the point where it's like, man, I need another USB-C to C? Come on.
Any ideas?
I have to steal this one. I'll be back over there in 1 sec. There's the picture. Yes. Give me that. This will do for now. So I have the big bearing that I printed and the handle, which is meant to wrap wires around. I have a lot of the parts to build the new telescope. All right, so we've got these two parts, big boy parts. Nothing on these telescopes is small. That's the crazy part. Sounds good. Sounds good. I appreciate you. I use Onshape. I use Onshape and FreeCAD and sometimes Fusion. I really enjoy Onshape though, because I can use it with my Apple Pencil when I'm just chilling. These are freaking crazy. Bamboo Labs, nothing wrong with that. They work. They work. They work. Oh yeah. What did I do with that? Put this over here. I went over there to grab a cable and I left it over there. Stupid. Okay. Bump. I want to get the computer mount printing. Supposed to be clear tonight, so I want to get this built so I can take it out tonight and see what we're working with. We'll see how quick we can get this to print. 0.8 nozzle. We're gonna fucking yeet it. All right, give me that bed heat. There we go. Oh. Okie dokie. I was always pretty happy with that. Turned out pretty freaking crazy. And what do I want? Yeah, this side will be the handle. Interesting. No, we do not. Not yet. Not yet. I gotta do that motor wire. And then the wiring is hopefully done. And then I can put it on the printer. Soon. Hey, Mike. How's it going, buddy? Yeah, it's pretty sweet. I'm really happy with the way it's gonna look. And then the standoffs. Little sweet touch. Come on. Don't be rude. That's crazy. That's so much of a difference. Tricky, tricky. Ooh. Oh. Bam, 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 bam. Ow. All right, Mike, enjoy your lunch, buddy. I think I'm gonna get more power. Give me more power. This is gonna be sick. Okay. Handle. That's dope. Round. Okay, let's send that print. I'm hoping it won't take too long, so let's find out. Oh yeah, I gotta look at the melee mount. They do have it mounted on the side. Okay. I'm down. No, not working. Let's see. $5. Damn. That sucks. I swear I printed one. I know I printed one. I really didn't think I threw it out. Oh, that sucks. Like, really? I mean, I'm glad I'm starting it now then, at least. Oh! That's better. I probably had the pet G flow rate down to like something stupid. That's better. That's what I'm talking about. Now what if I drop that? Nah. Okay. Rocket. Let's go. Okay. I have to answer an email real quick that I saw just come through. Let me send it to here. And you guys enjoy the start of the print. I'm gonna keep the mic on. No, I'm gonna mute the mic because I gotta deal with this. I will be back in a few minutes. Okay, how are we looking? Looking good, looking good. Ripping it. What's up, Ono? How's it going, buddy? Sorry, I was just sending an email. I'm kind of working and not working. Hope you're doing well. If you're still there, that is. These layers be thick, bro. I love it. I'm so happy that it's only going to take a couple hours, because I really do want to get this thing out and, like, trying. Okay. There we go. This thing pisses me off, man. There we go. And just stop there. Oh. Did this effing connect to this again? Dude. Man, all my devices are screwing with each other. Ugh. There we go. Okay, let us continue. So we got the handle on. Now I gotta put the dovetail on. And then I can put it on the mount. So, dovetail. Are you kidding me? Fuck. That's annoying as hell. What a silly thing to happen. That's not gonna come out, is it? Really? Wrench! That's insane. What the fuck? ABS be strong. No way, bro. Yo, ABS just won against my freaking Vice. Oh no. Oh, that sucks so much. Fuck. I don't think that's going to be covered by warranty. What do I do now? Some serious ABS. Broke my damn beloved Vice. Aww. All was good while it lasted, little homie. That is insane. What the fuck do I do? I don't want to print this over, man, just because of that stupidness. Ridiculous. This bolt, I tried to put it in and tighten it, and I stripped the head like an idiot because I was using a power tool to try and get it through. And now it's stuck in there. Like stuck. Like stuck. And I just broke my damn vise trying to get it out. So it's hammer time. That is insane how much that's freaking in there. Wow, bro. Oh, that sucks, man. Hello? Okay, are you in the lobby? Okay, I'll be right out. Thanks. Okay. Okay, I'm glad I was able to get that out. That was gonna be very, very annoying. I mean, it was annoying, and I broke my damn... The hell is it called? Man, that's crazy. I broke my damn, vise. My vise. That's what I'm trying to say. Those are M5 30 or something. I don't know if I have any more of those. Shit. Oh, come on. That's not ideal. Up here. I could have sworn I had... Not muted? That's a good thing. No way, man. I could have swore I had M530. M5 30 mil. Where did I put them? I mean, that's happened a couple times today to people. Come on. Just need one. Too long. That's a couple millimeters. We'll try. Might get lucky. I don't want to go through that same issue I just did. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba, ba. No. Nope, that's gonna fucking piss me off. Really gonna piss me off. So, I'm not gonna go down that road until I open these holes up a little bit more. Because these screws need to spin. Without this bracket interfering. I'm gonna open up these holes. More. More! Take your resistance and go away. I'm at a point where I want to use a bigger bit. It's too big. And I need to get another set of drill bits. Dun, 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 dun. That's better. Thank you. wonderful. There we go. Much better. How dare you? Beautiful. Last one. Hell yeah. Let's wrap up alive. Alive. Let go. How the hell are you supposed to put that in there? Just like that. This is effing crazy. Wow. Oh, it looks like a fucking space cannon. What? So why the hell is it turning? Or loose? There we go. Beautiful. I mean, ideally, I'll just put the mini PC right here. That mount right here. So the guide scope and then mini PC. I mean, that makes sense to me right in here. We'll see if there's space though, so it clears this. Well, this is just insane. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I'm gonna break that off. I know it's kind of rude to break things, but I'm gonna break it off. Because I can't safely tighten it the way it is right now. There we go. And where? Where'd I put the hardware box thingy? Just saw it. Where the heck? Where the heck-a-doodle? Did I leave it in the wagon? No. Hardware. Where are you? There it is, right in front of my face. It's just a couple of washers and a little bolt to prevent that counterweight from falling right off. There. Now it's safe from ever falling off if this loosens for whatever reason. That's tight. I don't imagine it's balanced. No, I'm gonna need to get another counterweight. I mean, it's not horrible, but I'm definitely gonna need another counterweight. Because this is supposed to balance. If I go like that, it's supposed to be even on either side. Wow, that's so smooth, though. I should be charging these. Let me get a charger. Where is one of those thick boy chargers? In here. Yeah, there. That one's 55. That one's 96. We'll pull this one out. I want to set this thing right up and get, like, right into it. Okay, I wanted to grab that extension cord from outside. Getting hot. Putting in telescope work. Telescope work. Oh, that's bad. Okay, I'm gonna grab that extension cord and then we shall continue. I need a hockey stick. We use hockey sticks for tools. Oops. Shit. Okay. Okay. Now I don't have to have the battery pack sitting up. It can sit on the floor right where it is there, or wherever I choose to put it. And then this will go up here. Man. Why is that so damn smudged? Sorry, one sec. Just another quick email. Oh my goodness. Of course. Gotta approve this. Gotta approve all this dual authentication. I mean, it's safety stuff, but Okay. That's done. Back to over there. I shouldn't have even looked at it. I have to. Okay, where were we? That's plugged in. Now, I need more than one outlet up there. So I have a... Where'd I put it? I have an extension thingy. Where did I put it? Where did I put it? Extension. Just like a thingy that has like 4 outlets instead of 1 or 3. Oh, power bar. Even better. Okay. Oh. I can take this. This. What's the best way to do it? I don't know here. Yeah, that's the best way. Okay, so we got the one end plugged into the power box. What is this? What is this? Maybe plug this in first and then do that. Around. Yes. There we go. I think that works pretty well. It's going to be interesting to see about dew and all of that stuff. I'm going to have to. Power cable. Kind of one thing I don't really have much control over, unless there we go. And then we'll bring it back off of the mount with all the other wires that are going to come off of right there. And then this comes down and plugs into the power box as well. That's perfect. That'll work nicely. Go under there. Yeah, that's going to work great. And we've got that. The guides. What are we looking at? It says 57 minutes left. I love the 0.8 nozzle for stuff like that. Specifically for things like this. Like, how can you go wrong? Just when you just need to spit a lot of plastic, oof. Wonderful. The idea is to get this thing outside before the sun sets, so I can target it on something and try and see if I can focus. That's the idea. Scram for a couple hours while we figure this stuff out. I mean, that's gonna be interesting. I put that in there. I wonder if I can plug it into one of the ports on the computer. I'm looking into getting the SV Boney power box. That would be handy. If I can plug it into the computer, then I don't have to worry about anything. The idea is, because this whole thing rotates and turns and stuff, right? So the idea is the least amount of wires coming off the rotating assembly as possible. Excuse me. I want to test it, but I can't yet until this frickin' thing's done. Quality is not absolutely perfect, but for this part, it does not need to be. Man, it looks so good on that freaking mount. Oh. Okie dokie. Jupiter. Jupiter. Oh yeah, Mateo gave me this cube that he printed. The burnt titanium. He's got, like I said, he's got Decker printing crazy good. Like, that's freaking... That quality? You can't even see the layers. And this filament is wild, bro. I'm in love with this filament. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. We'll see. Wow. Crazy. Whee! Can't really do much, can I? I wanted to take a picture of that. Okay. I should clean that mirror. Fuck. That sucks. We'll deal with that later. It's so secure, bro. I love it. Oh. That's nuts, man. Even if you bump it, it's like, you don't bump it, it bumps you. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see about focus. I'm gonna play with it. Okay. I wanted to hop on for a bit and kind of show what was going on. This is going to be done in 45 minutes. And then I want to connect it and get it outside. So I think I'm going to just call it here so I can get up to some other things, answer some more emails. And yeah. So let's hop over to the computer and I'll say my proper goodbye this time instead of just shutting it off like last time. Okay. I might come back on later this evening and just update. We'll see. We'll see how the day goes. I have some things I need to do. Some errands and some laundry and blah, blah, blah. But I did want to hop on for at least a few hours. This coming week, I'm going to try and get on in the evenings, at least 2 evenings, to work on the A4T and go from there. So I appreciate all the lurks, anyone that's hung out, Cody, Mike, Acid, Balil, I appreciate everybody. Yeah, that's all she wrote. Have yourself a fantastic day. I appreciate you, and we will talk soon.